This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 27th of September. I'm Michael Groff. After a very active week of weather here across the Southwest, we start to dry out today. But the good news is temperatures are going to remain below average for much of the upcoming forecast period. So let's get into it first. The shot of the day. Here's an aerial view over the valley as thunderstorms rolled in around 3 or 3:30 p.m. And of course, some spots saw some severe weather, some very heavy rain. But Sky Harbor Airport, not one of them. Look at the almanac from yesterday. 89 the high, 72 was the low. And yes, Sky Harbor officially 0.05 of an inch of rain in the bucket, only 1/4 of an inch for the month so far. And the prospects of more rain not looking all that good. And outside right now here at around 9 a.m., the sun is out, mostly sunny skies. 75 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 64, humidity 69%, the winds are calm, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 66, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 67 on Thompson Peak, 68 Saguaro Lake, a couple of spots in the upper 60s. Most of us are in the 70s. Here's the upper look this morning. Our cutoff low is now turning into an open wave. It's weakening and moving off to the east, taking the unsettled weather with it. However, broad troughing will remain over the western states for quite a while. The watch warning map, we've got a wind advisory for a good portion of the Mojave Desert for this afternoon and this evening. So if you're heading up toward Kingman, Las Vegas, Tonopah, Nevada, could see some wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour there. Elsewhere, how about winter storm warnings in parts of Montana and Wyoming? The snowflakes are flying, and so it is fall, definitely. Severe weather outlook for today. We've got the standard slight risk for parts of Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, with a marginal risk for many of the adjacent states, as well as parts of West Texas. Here in Arizona, a portion of the state in the green, some scattered thunderstorms possible over the higher terrain today, but here in the valley, we are drying out. The tropics, well, Karen is becoming a remnant low out there in the Atlantic. It's just going to drift around and not really affect anybody. Lorenzo, on the other hand, this is a Category 4 hurricane. Max sustained winds 140 miles per hour. It is moving out to the north, though. It's gaining latitude. May affect the Azores over the next few days, however. Here's the precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Metro Phoenix, not much, and not a whole lot even for the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona. Just isolated showers and storms. We'll talk about it now as we take a look at the models. Check it out. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There goes our wave moving off to the east. An isolated shower or storm around this morning, and then we'll see decreasing clouds. Mostly sunny skies. High temperatures, mid-80s today. The normal high in Phoenix, 96, so we're going to be around 10 degrees below average today. Tonight, clear skies, lows mid-60s to low 70s. Tomorrow, sunny in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon. High temperatures, mid to upper 80s. A weak disturbance will be moving through the area tomorrow night, acting on some residual low-level moisture. And I guess there could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the valley tomorrow evening or into early Sunday morning. But the key word, isolated, most of us will see nothing out of this. Even the mountains, the higher terrain, probably not going to get much, if anything at all. So we thought we'd mention that. And then Sunday, mostly sunny skies, highs mid to upper 80s. Broad troughing will remain over the western states for much of next week, so that's going to keep temperatures below average. Now, the main energy and moisture will stay north of Arizona, but temperatures held in check. Highs mid to upper 80s on Monday with mostly sunny skies. Same thing on Tuesday. Those overnight lows could get down in the upper 50s in the cool pockets, mid-60s in the urban core. Wednesday, we add on a couple of degrees, highs close to 90. The sky mostly sunny. Same thing on Thursday, but troughing stays north of us. And here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 4th of October. Still looks like baggy troughing here over the western states, a southwest flow. Temperatures near or slightly below seasonal averages and conditions staying dry. And going out 10 days. This is the end of the forecast period, Sunday, the 6th of October. Ridge starts to build in. Conditions stay dry. Temperatures close to normal. Speaking of temperatures, checking those out off the GFS ensemble. Highs mid-80s to low 90s. Lows mainly in the 60s and low 70s. And of course, the cooler pockets might even dip into the upper 50s on a couple of days. So fall has arrived. I think we're done with the 100-degree temperatures for the year. And that's the best news of all. That's just going to about wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be notified. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always appreciated and encouraged. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have a wonderful weekend, everybody.